Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, today let us study about in your 6th standard the basic geometric idea. Dear students, you learn about in your geometry the basic concept only. What are the things in your geometry? What are the basic concept in your geometry? What are the things are geometry? For example, only point is there. This also geometry is there, and also lines are here. Lines, just like lines dislike lines are here, or otherwise so many plane surface are here, plane surfaces are here, or just like here, and also this is also one figure is there, and also this also one figure is there. Okay, these all things are geometry. You learn about the basic geometrical concept. What are the basic geometrical concept? Before study about the basic geometrical concept, you learn about, you can remember your what is the history of geometry. Dear students, the history of geometry is the history is your geometry is developed by in your Greek, that is one of the greatest mathematicians. Euclid is the Euclid was one of the father of geometry. Euclid is study about all concept in your geometry. The all geometry is based on Euclid. That purpose that's called only the Euclidean geometry. The all geometry is based on Euclid. That is called Euclidean geometry. In the geometry, there are two parts are here. One is Euclidean geometry. One is analytical geometry. Analytical geometry is different. Only study about graphs, but the Euclidean geometry is based on the all geometry by the Euclid. Thus, Euclid study about all things. That is, point is also one geometrical concept. Lines are geometrical concepts. The angles are geometrical concepts. All things in the geometry. You can learn about one by one the geometrical basic concept. The first one is what? Only the things are in the geometry. The first one is what? Only points. Point. First things is what? Point. What is the point or dot? Point. What is the definition of point? Okay, the figure is the point figure is this is figure. This figure is point. This is point. What is the definition of point? And also, you could are told by all geometrical figures on the dimensional figures. Dimensions. What are the dimensional? Zero dimensional figure, 3D. Sorry, 0D. Next, 1D. 1D. Next, 2D. Next, 3D. That is 3D is that. These all based on the dimensional. Point is what? Point is a geometrical figure. A geometrical figure. Geometrical figure. No length and no breadth. No breadth, only place. Only place is called a point. Is called a point. Got it? Point is only place. In the green board, only one place is there. That is point. But otherwise, point is this like length is the point is this like width is the that is not. That is no length, no breadth. Only place is the that is point. Got it? This is point is only. Okay, this point is 0 dimensional or 1 dimensional or 2 dimensional or 3 dimensional. Only therefore point is 0 dimensional. 0D. 0 dimensional. Dimensional. 0 dimensional is the 0 or 0D. 0D is the next one is what? Second one, lines are here. What are the lines? What are the lines? In the lines are more types of lines are here. For example, lines is in the first one, the learn about only line segment. Line segment. Line segment. The next one is what? Straight line. Straight line or line. Next one is what? Ray. The next one, curve line. Curve line. The next one, fifth one, in the lines only, lines, curve line, ray, straight line, line segment. These all are lines are here. What is a line segment? Line segment is definition and diagram. What is the definition of line segment? A line segment have two endpoints. Two endpoints. Have two endpoints only. A length is only two endpoints. That is called, the diagram is, for example, A is the one endpoint, B is the one endpoint. The line joining A to B, this is line segment. This is line segment. Otherwise, in your parallelogram, in your rectangle, the sides are rectangle. The sides are only line segment because only two endpoints are here. Next one is what? Straight angle, straight line. What is straight angle? Straight line. Straight line is denoted by this line is the no endpoints. A line have no endpoints. No endpoints. No endpoints. What are the no endpoints? The symbol is this like is the. Therefore, A is the and also B is the. This like symbols are here. This like symbol. Arrow mark is the arrow mark. This is continuous is the arrow mark. This is not endpoint. This is no endpoint is the. That is straight line. Next, ray is what? Ray is a line. Ray is a line. This is only one endpoint. A ray have only one endpoint. One endpoint is called ray. This like ray is the point. Next, B is this like is the symbol is this like is ray. Next, curve line. Curve lines are more. Curve lines are this like is the two endpoint as well as no particular direction. No particular direction. Therefore, two points are here, two endpoints are here, but not otherwise same direction. This like is the different direction is there. This is our curve line. This is our curve lines. These all are lines are here. And also points are over. Next, lines. What about next? In the lines also you learn about, and also point is a zero dimensional figure. So all lines are only one dimensional figures because only length is there. All lines have length, that is one dimensional. The next one is what? Next one you learn about in the lines only. In the lines, intersecting lines, parallel lines, and perpendicular lines. First one is what? Intersecting. Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. What are the intersecting lines? Two lines are meet at the point is called intersecting. For example, one line, other two lines. These 2 points are AB and PQ. Therefore, AB is one line. This is AB is one line and PQ is one line. These two lines are meet at the point, that the point is O. Therefore, these two lines are intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. For example, in your colony, the some two roads are here. Two roads are cross section, that is intersecting roads are here. This is like intersecting lines. The next one is what? Parallel lines. Parallel lines. What are the parallel lines? What are the parallel lines? In your real world example, railway track and also windows rods. These all are parallel lines are this like parallel. Parallel lines are this one. AB and PQ. These all are parallel. Intersecting means the two lines are meet at the point or cross section to the each other. That is intersecting. What about parallel? The definition of parallel lines is what? Two lines are traveling to the equidistance between two lines. The two lines have equidistance between two lines. A to P same distance, B to Q also same distance. These two are equidistance. These lines are called parallel lines. The next one is what? Perpendicular. Perpendicular lines. Lines. What are the perpendicular lines? Perpendicular lines means two lines are intersect to the perpendicularly. Two lines are intersect to the perpendicularly. Perpendicular means the 90 degrees, the 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. Perpendicular way. Because AB line is horizontal to earth surface, but PQ line is vertical to earth surface. Your Cartesian plane x axis and y axis, that is perpendicular intersection. That is perpendicular lines, parallel lines, intersecting lines. Sorry, these are our lines. The next one is what? Next one, angles are here. Angles means what? Angles are, you can write about no problem. Two rays meet at the point of O point, that is angle. Consider theta. Therefore, A, this is B. Therefore, OA is ray, OB is ray. These two rays are grow from a single point, that is O. This is connected by only angle is there. And also you learn about, therefore, a line segment. Line segment is denoted by this like is the AB is line segment. You can take one bar, that is line segment. Next one is straight line. Straight line is this like is the straight line is denoted by AB. Opposite two sides is arrow mark is there. That is denoted by straight line. Next ray. Ray is denoted by this like is the only AB is the ray. Only one side is arrow mark. Only one side is arrow mark. Okay, in this figure only two rays are here. Two rays are here. And also second one is the, therefore this is one straight line. O is the middle part. O is the middle part. This is A. This is B. In this one also C is the. Therefore, in the given figure, how many rays are here? How many straight lines are here? In this figure, three rays are here. Three rays. OA is one ray. OB is one ray. OC is one ray. Therefore, three rays are here. How many straight lines? Straight lines have only length and opposite directions and no endpoints in there. Therefore, AB is a straight line. Only one straight line is there. Got it? This lines are here. You can learn more in your textbook. I shall continue next class. You can do your homework in your exercise.